Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. First of all, I want to say that if you coming here, then your responsibility listen carefully. If you listen carefully, I think you understand something 1%, 2%, 3%, your capacity, what you think and what you can understand, and my capacity, what am I understand you. Okay, so humble request to all, please listen me carefully. If you listen me carefully, then what am I saying you can understand. Okay, so today is our TBT class. You can also say that our debate class, and our TBT is just if we lifting materials with the help by crane, then in which type of hazard created? What am I saying? I am saying that if we lifting materials with the help by crane, then in which type of hazards created? In which type of we need rules? In which type of we need PPs? In which type of we need safety? And what's our responsibility as a crane operator, as a site in charge, as a site, safety inspector, and also safety in charge? What's our responsibility? And how we can just explain and expose the materials, and how we can just lifting the materials, and different type of points we covered it. So requested to all listen carefully. If you listen carefully, then you can also something understand. And I think if you try to understand, then you can understand. If you not try to understand, then you not understand. Okay, so don't waste time, let us start. First of all, you can understand, that's you think that we go to try to understand about if we lifting the materials in which type of hazards created with the help of crane, then your responsibility, you ask a question, what is crane? What is crane? That means a crane is a tall machine. What am I saying? Crane is a tall machine that lifting the materials, and not only lifting the materials, it lifting a heavy materials, heavy materials, heavy different type of material lifting. When a heavy materials lifting, and the help by different type of machines, and this machine is called crane. Are you understand what am I saying? What is a crane? In simple languages, you say that crane is a tall machine that used to heavy lifting loads. What is crane? Crane is a tall machine that used to lifting heavy loads, heavy lifting materials, etc., etc. I hope you understand what is crane. Then here is a question input: in which type of work let's do crane? Crane means just lifting heavy loads. Not only lifting heavy loads and not only lifting the loads, it also survive and also one places to another places materials are arrived. Okay, now we discuss about if we lifting the loads, if we lifting the materials, heavy loads, heavy materials, then in which type of hazards created, in which type of accident created, in which type of risk created, and when we create the risk, when we create the hazards, then how you can identify it, how we can examine it, and how we can reduce it. What's our responsibility? First of all, if you loading a heavy loads, then there is a heavy sling, yeah, heavy cycle, then different type of problem cases, like as when you can understand, when you lifting heavy loads, then your materials is here, and when what, that means a heavy sling, yeah, that means a heavy cyclone, then material are fallen down. If you not a good inspection as a site materials and a crane, then also overloaded and also materials are fallen down. Then if you not in charging, and if you not just check one point to another point, then sometime boom bending, boom lifting, and also materials are fallen down, and with us a crane is also just defeated, just one point to another point fallen down. This type of problems created. And also you can say that if you not inspection the site, if you not inspection the workplaces, and you loading materials, you loading heavy materials, then also materials are here, you think crane points here and materials here, then touch one electricity to another electricity, one wire to another wire, one point to another point, different type of points created. That means not a set to only problems created, that's a different difficult problems created, and not a only problem created, you can also die, and with us you lost property, you lost life, and many things created. Everything is created, not a something created, many things created, and sometimes every problems created. Okay, then can we not do lifting? If a problems is created, then can we not do lifting? No, this not a point. We do lifting, but how we can do lifting? We can lifting, that means we follow some rules, we follow some construction points, we follow some point to point. When we follow some rules, when we follow some rules with the work safety, then hazards we can identify it, examine it, reduce it, remove it. Okay, then in which type of rules we follow, in which type of points we need to need. Okay, then you understand. First of all, you provide, not you provide, as a crane operator, daily you had got a checklist. What? Daily you had got a checklist. Then your responsibility, just you check one point to another point, one point to another point with and all point you check. As a crane operator, your responsibility. And how you can check? With the check your crane champion, okay? And daily provided a checklist, your responsibility inspection it, and also you inform your supervisor, your head officers. Second point. Third, if you want to try to lifting heavy loads, then you check every point in a crane, like a screw, chain sprocket, etc., etc. Every point you check. Also, you tag on crane. Tag. What is meaning of tag? That is a color code. And also, just pointed note on the crane. How many weights? Just observe it. And also, in materials, pointed are created. How many weights? Observe it. And what is the capacity of a materials? And also as a crane operator, your responsibility inspection the crane, inspection the site, not only inspection the site, visitor and site in charge inspection the site, your also responsibility, because you operating the crane. And if you not inspection it, then what's the point? And also you do risk assessment. What is risk assessment? Risk assessment, then is that we see the environmental condition, what's wrong, what's right, in which type of hazard created when process it building, that we know about it, identify it, examine it, reduce it, remove it. That is called risk assessment. And also your responsibility, you do risk assessment. Okay, are you understand what am I saying? Yeah, just you can listen and you nothing understand, you also say that. Are you listen? And not only listen, you can understand. If you cannot understand, then also share me, I cannot understand. Okay, then I try to change my voice and my pitch. Okay, now just next point is also just mention about different type of points, and that means in which type of materials you loaded and in which type of now materials on the work process. And also just barricaded the point, barricaded the area, and net the area, net the point. And your responsibility, just I am given explanation. Okay, you think this is a crane point, here is his chain S pocket, and this point. And you think when material, this mic is material, okay, just this type. You think when chain spoken and chain point are fallen, just broke down, when broke down, then materials are fallen down. When materials are fallen down, then a capacity, that's a point, and just a place capture how many places that created and how many just place captured. Then you also firstly identify it how many places captured. Then if you identify the captures point, identify the place, then you just take a distance. When you take a distance, then also sometimes and some places just reduce your capacity point, reduce accident point, reduce a risk point, and also reduce a accident point. This type of points you also created. And how many we needed of safety, just you can safety, that means not also need a pp, we need a pp. But you think, if I say that here is a materials lifting, okay, here is a crane and here is a materials, and you take a helmet, everything, you take every point and you stand under a materials, then you save it. When a material fallen down, then you not save it, just you convert in water, like it's your body parts convert in water, you can think as. Then we not to say that oh pp is a many important, but we say that here is a knowledge, and here is a pointing like it's very get and knowledge, also in which type of hazard created, that's a thinking of present mind, and inspection, risk assessment. These points are manually man. Okay, that means you do as a side pointing, inspection, risk assessment, as you also has a permit, also has a point knowledge about materials, and different type of you have a knowledge, then you can do. If you say that you think as a we take a pp's, we take a different type of points, and then we say that's not a good. Okay, that's a different points in a crane when we operating the materials with the help by crane, then different points are created, different type points of hazards created, and also many type of safety we needed, and many type of just point we needed. Also not anytime overloaded in a crane, and you can also not lack of electricity, not lack of water, that's as a crane operator. And what am I saying about every point and in every activity, I'm saying that manually and main point, just a main point, like as your responsibility. If you want to try to operating the crane, and your responsibility, you ask yourself, are you mentally and physically fit? You have a knowledge about crane, this type of point, and this type of question you ask. If you have a knowledge about this type of points and this type of question, then you're operating crane. If you have no any knowledge, then you're not operating the crane. You think you have no knowledge how to operate the crane, how to control the crane, and how to lifting the materials, then you can lift nothing. Anytime not you can lifting. Okay, I think you can better understand. And if you have any doubt, you any questions, you ask me. So I try to change my pitches and change my sound quality, etc., etc. That's all. And what I'm saying about crane, here's a many points and a many question about crane. If you have any doubt, any problems, you ask me.